Τι λέει για τις ελληνοτουρκικές σχέσεις ο κύριος Τσούνης, γιατί τον ρώτησε και γι' αυτό η Αλεξία, γιατί πρέπει να την αποδεσμεύσουμε την Αλεξία. Πρέπει να πάει σε ρεπορτάζ. Έλα, Αλεξία μου.
Ναι, ο Αμερικανός πρέσβης αναφέρθηκε σε αυτό. Μίλησε για την αποκλιμάκωση που πιστεύω ότι έχει ξεκινήσει μεταξύ των δύο χωρών και είπε, και θα τον ακούσετε, δεν είμαστε εδώ για να κάνουμε υποδείξεις σε κανέναν, ωστόσο όμως είμαστε εδώ για να ενθαρρύνουμε και τις δύο χώρες για να τα βρούνε.
Πάμε να τον ακούσουμε λοιπόν, να τον δούμε τον κύριο Τσούνη. Ευχαριστούμε, Αλεξία.
The relationship between the United States and Greece has never been stronger. Greece is the indispensable and valued ally in the region. It is one of the most indispensable relationships that we have. The reliability, the cooperation at every level gets things done.
Do you estimate that the escalation of the tension between Greece and Turkey is possible after the recent developments?
Not only possible, it's happening. We have seen very real indications from both Turkey and Greece that there is a substantial warming of the relationship. We encourage it to continue because no one benefits more than peace and stability in the region than Greece and Turkey and its people. Greece and Turkey are very sophisticated nations with very sophisticated diplomats who have lived side by side for thousands of years. They know each other well, and they also know how to de-escalate. We are here not to dictate to anyone. We're here to encourage and support behavior that leads to peace, stability, and prosperity in the region, because it's not only an overriding U.S. Interest, it's in the interest of all the nations in the region. And we have great confidence in both countries' ability to work out their issues through diplomatic and peaceful means.